So should we start the quiz now?
Definitely.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
so
please.
we are having this Harry Potter based quiz. I'll show a question on the screen and you guys will have to type the answers in the chat box. Okay, so whoever types the answer first will get 10 points, and after that I will display the answer. Okay, so it is just first come first get. Whoever answers first will get 10 points. Okay, and the winner will be decided after the quiz is done.
Shubham is joining in a moment. Like I've just admitted him from the waiting room. I think you might have to repeat the rule for him, please. Yeah. He's just joining. I've just admitted him. From the waiting room. I think you might have to repeat the rule.
Yeah, no issues, let him join first.
I think he's not joined in yet, so let's continue. We'll understand the rules.
Okay, so I'm gonna start the quiz now. Okay, so the first question is,
I think I'll have to cheat.
okay, Ishika Di has answered. Anyone else? Do we have Isha here in the meeting?
Yes, she is here.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So Isha, can you just write
हाँ
the
मैंने लिख
scores?
लिया. हाँ अब
Okay,
अब already.
that's the correct answer. So 10 points to Isha.
I know this, but I forgot. Can't remember.
No, unicorn is not the correct answer. Yeah, so Hestrels is the correct answer. 10 points to Aditya. The next question is on your screens now. I see no one answering right now. I'll give you a hint, okay? So the hint is fat. Yes, fat fryer is the correct answer. Again, 10 points to Aditya. I guess it was Aditya who answered. Yeah. I
142.
guess. Yeah, it is a
Already
fun
you
fact
knew.
for you guys. It was my mistake. So it's a fun fact for you guys. Next question. Yeah, dungeons is the correct answer. 10 points to Ishika. Next question. Yes, that's the correct answer. So 10 points to Mr. Grindelwald. Yes, it was a cat. You're right. Crookshanks was a cat. Next question.
ए से था कुछ. हाँ. ए से तो नहीं.
Amorentia is the correct answer. 10 more points to Mr. Grindelwald. Okay, so you can type the curse or the spell, both. You can type either. Like, for example, if you want to type Expecto Patronum, so the spell Expecto Patronum would also work, or if you write the Patronus Charm, it would also work. I don't know what kind of spell this Kirito is. But yeah, Aditya is right. Killing Curse, Cruciatus Curse, and Imperious Curse. And I've got both of them at the same time actually. So let's divide 5 points to Aditya and 5 points to Ishika. Next question on your screens now. Yes, that's the correct answer. Bellatrix Lestrange. Again, I have got two answers at the same time. So I'll divide 5 points to Ishika and 5 points to Shubham. Next question. Yeah, freezing one, but you have to tell the spell. Okay, I'll give you a hint. Freezing can also be called as petrified. Yes, that's the correct answer, Petrificus totalis. So we have 10 more points to Miss Luna. And next question. You guys, the picture in this question is a hint in itself.
गेम कीपर और गेट कीपर.
Whatever you call it. Yes, it's Hagrid. It's I got Ishika's answer first, and she even spelled the full name, so I'll give 10 points to Ishika. Next question. Here we go. Yes, that's the correct answer, Professor Sprout. Okay, this is the last question, and I'll make it a bonus question. So anyone who answers this question first will get 15 points. Yes, that's the correct answer, Dementors. You get 15 points, Ishika. That's the end of this quiz. I hope you guys had fun.
Yeah, feels like I know about it.
I have one more question. If any of you answers it like within 15 to 20 seconds, I'll keep a timer for 15 seconds. If any one of you answers it in Latin or English, I'll give you 20 points. It is, what is Hogwarts motto? Not a house motto, the motto of Hogwarts school. It's a Latin phrase. If any of you can write it in English, I'll give you 20 points. Anyone who wants to try can type it. Yes, never tickle a sleeping dragon. You get 20 points. Congratulations. So that's the end of today's quiz. I hope you guys had fun.